what we're trying to do is we're trying to give back the testosterone that has dropped. And a lot of women just think of testosterone as a male hormone, and it's not. We women make less testosterone than men, but we need it for many things, including lean muscle mass. Without the testosterone, we lose our lean muscle mass. And so the level of testosterone that you have at 25, by the time you're 50, it's half of what it was when you were 25. So what's being prescribed is just trying to get you back to where you were. It's not anything beyond what your body would have normally made. When your testosterone levels drop, then you have less lean muscle. And what that does is it means your metabolic rate, your metabolism drops. And your muscles move all the time. Even when you're sound asleep, they move. So you're burning calories even when you sleep. And so if you drop that lean muscle, then you're dropping your metabolic rate. So if we can get that lean muscle back with exercise and increase testosterone, then you can start to increase your metabolism. So yes, we're eating right, we're doing our exercise, but sometimes we need another little nudge.
Yeah, people talk about calories in, calories out, that, it's just math, and that's true, except the calories out equation really varies for people. So, and that's where the metabolic rate comes in. So it takes, more energy just to keep muscle there than it does to keep fat there. So the more muscle you have, the more you can eat, and the more calories you can take in, because those calories are getting burned off by muscle, which wouldn't have otherwise got burned off by fat. So it's sort of a cycle. You start gaining lean muscle mass, you gain more muscle, you lose some fat. Even if that doesn't change the scale, it increases your metabolic rate. And so then at the same amount of calories, because your basal calorie expenditure, amount of calories that you burn just sitting around doing nothing, goes up, in the same amount of calorie intake, you actually start losing weight that way. And so it is calories in, calories out, but it's a calories out part that's a little tricky, because that can change based on your body makeup.